All right, welcome back. So in this video, we're going to talk about custom brushes. So click on the special effects brushes. Okay, we're going to hit File, Save As. I'm going to save this as 05 Custom Brushes. Okay. Now, all we're really going to do is we're going to go in here and we're going to look at what we put in there and then just customize the brushes that we did from the special effects brushes. So essentially all you're doing is creating a custom effect from there. You can adjust the tilt Y, the rotation, the pressure, smoothing. You can lock it so we can protect the texture. You know, turn these all on or off. Adjust the texture. Okay. We can change the size, so we could do like a really large size here. Like that. And let me adjust the texture here. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that off for a second. Let's make another layer and we'll call this brush 9. Okay, and then I can show you the custom brush that we made from the previous video, really. What we did is we turned on all these features here and then just adjusted the contrast, the brightness, the scale, all that stuff. So we can turn the brightness down and then you can see it here like that. If you did a little white, and it'll probably pop a little more. Yeah, there you go. So you can really see what it looks like. Black and white is really the best for contrast, you know, because they're completely different. So that's how you create a custom brush. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.